time to get your veils out. Join me. I'm Thea. I'm here at Mighty Oak Studio in California, and I am dancing for no one except for you. So I'm gonna show you just a couple of things. I have a butterfly with a switch and a switch, and then I'm going to the back and I'm doing a reverse of the same move. So I'm flipping up in the back and doing a switch and a switch. So let me break that down for you. Get ready. Here's your veil. 3 yards of fabric or just a sheet, whatever you can get your hands on right now. Open up full wingspan today. Hold delicately but strong. Flip up to butterfly, pull towards your neck. The ends hang down, pretty. Turn to one side. Opposite side comes down, turn to that direction. So now you're going to your, what is that, right? Pull, now you're gonna go to the left. So you're pulling to the left and dropping on the right. Other side. Try to make it look pretty. And then when you got it, you can switch, 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 switch. Maybe add a back bend, maybe add a shimmy. Drop it down, flip to the back, and flip up. Reverse butterfly. All right, drop on one side, towards that side, pull, and pull. So I'm pulling up onto my arm here, dropping it off this arm. Where am I? Here. Up. I got a little lost. Drop, flip, drop, flip, turn, flip, 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 drop it down, all the way up, and then you can try the front too. Try it a few times, let me know what you think, and I hope you're having fun.